Egg. In a small pot, bring water to a simmer. Crack the egg into a Welcome to Recipe Vibe. 5-minute avocado toast with poached egg. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Simple ingredients can create delicious meals in just minutes. Start your morning with a healthy and filling breakfast in just 5 minutes. This avocado toast with a perfectly poached egg is loaded with healthy fats and protein, giving you lasting energy for the day ahead. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices of whole grain or sourdough bread, 1 egg, salt and pepper to taste, red pepper flakes, optional. Instructions: toast the bread. Pop your slices of bread in the toaster until golden brown. Poach the egg. In a small pot, bring water to a simmer. Crack the egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the water. Poach for about 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk. Remove with a slotted spoon. Mash the avocado. While the bread toasts, cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash with a spoon or fork, adding salt and pepper to taste. Assemble. Spread the mashed avocado generously on the toasted bread. Top with egg. Place the poached egg on top and sprinkle with red pepper flakes for a little spice, optional. Serve and enjoy. Slice and enjoy your delicious, nutrient-packed breakfast. 2. Healthy banana pancakes. 3 ingredients only. These healthy banana pancakes are made with just 3 ingredients. They're perfect for a quick breakfast or weekend brunch and are naturally sweetened with banana. You'll love how easy and fluffy they are. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, coconut oil or butter for cooking. Instructions: mash the banana. In a bowl, mash the ripe banana until smooth. Whisk the eggs. Crack the eggs into the same bowl and whisk until well combined. Add vanilla extract for extra flavor if desired. Cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a little coconut oil or butter. Pour small dollops of batter onto the pan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. Serve your pancakes with fresh fruit, maple syrup, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy a healthy and satisfying breakfast in minutes. 3. Greek yogurt parfait, quick, healthy and protein-packed. Healthy food. This protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait is perfect for a healthy and quick breakfast. Layered with fresh fruit, crunchy granola, and a drizzle of honey, it's a sweet, satisfying start to your day. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup granola, 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, a handful of nuts, optional. Instructions: layer the parfait. In a glass or bowl, add a few spoonfuls of Greek yogurt at the bottom. Add honey. Drizzle a little honey over the yogurt for sweetness. Add fruit and granola. Layer your favorite fresh berries on top of the yogurt, followed by granola. Repeat the layers for a more substantial parfait. Top with nuts. If desired, sprinkle with nuts for a bit of crunch. Serve and enjoy a quick, healthy, and customizable breakfast.